Hey folks, look, I found another air freshener, strawberry watermelon. This one has a charge port. I'm assuming there's a light in there or something. And it has a little wheel that you can turn to open and close a vent. You see that hole down there? If you open it more, I think it lets more air through and makes more freshening. So let's open this up. I'm gonna pause the video and crack it open. I don't wanna do it on video because I still have to figure out how I'm supposed to separate the can, but I'm thinking it just separates along that seam, and we'll see what's inside this thing. Okay folks, so I managed to crack it open using a screwdriver and a plier. They're not without breaking it in the process, but that's fine. There's the internals. You can see there's a battery stuck on here. It's a, looks like 111840, 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp battery. And there's a USB-C port, and the reservoir with all the air freshening goodness is in here. And it does come out. I had it out a minute ago. But I press fit it back in. But it's basically inside of here. I just can't pull it out. Give me a second. Okay, I managed to pull it out a little bit, and that's the rest. So this is just one empty canister. It's got a large reservoir of material, and I'm assuming somewhere in there is a circuit you can see. So we're gonna crack open this and see what's inside there, because you can see a little bit more stuff going on. There should be a charge circuit, maybe a sensor for air pressure. That's probably what that is, and it looks like an LED on the back there to light it up. And then as far as charging goes, it looks really simple. I'm assuming the charge circuitry is wrapped in here somewhere, but I don't see it. So I'm not sure how this charges up. You know, if there's any safety involved or any charge circuitry. Okay, so when you get into the guts of this thing, you can see what looks like some kind of a element there, wired in, straight to this battery and the USB port. And I have yet to look in the battery. Maybe there's some kind of smart circuitry in there. We'll have a look. Okay, so that's basically the bits and pieces after this teardown. And that is the entire circuit right there. Battery, another close look. Wired up directly to some kind of a air sensor thingy here with a LED. A charge port directly wired in. I don't see any smarts on this charge port at all to manage the battery. And there's the filament. You can see a bit on my finger there falling apart. But that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.